This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your Google Drive storage on your Android phone so you don't get these annoying messages all the time. So we can go to the top right and go to settings right here and scroll down and look for Google services. So yours might be on the top. If you have Samsung, it's probably halfway down here. Select Google services and you can see the backup right here. Look at your name, make sure that's correct, and we can go to all services and just scroll on down to backup. So you could probably select it on the other screen, but we can just go to here too if you don't see it. And you can see my backup is turned on my Samsung A16 phone. I can choose one of the options right here. Probably photos and videos is probably the one that's causing the most issues. We can just go to backup photos and videos, and we can just completely turn it off. Now, on the bottom here, you can see there's an option too. It says undo backup for this device. Delete all backed up photos and videos from this device in Google Photos without deleting anything from your phone. So you can delete everything from the cloud storage for photos and videos and keep it on your phone. So you can just go to delete right there, and that's probably what's going to save you the most storage space. But we can just go on down now, and we go to manage storage, and we can just start deleting things from here. So you can look at everything through here. GB is going to be larger than MB, so you'd want to delete anything with GB. So we can go into large photos and videos. We can tap here and we can delete all these large videos. And if we scroll on down, there's more options to delete right here. It's just going to select like the top maybe like 30 items or something like that. But we can delete everything on here if we want to do it manually with our finger. So we can just do that and then go to delete, and that's going to save you a bunch of storage space. So usually I just delete the videos and keep the photos. Those are going to be smaller files. So you can go through here for large drive files as well, emails, and you can just start deleting things. You can tap that check mark in the top left or wherever, and you can delete everything altogether too. So just look at that, go through here and just clean up your storage space on your Google Drive, and then you can take this down to probably like 3 gigabytes or 3 GB, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.